Hello, Hawks. We are thrilled to have you for Open House 2020. We are so excited, even though this open house looks different and you're looking at it through a screen with either Zoom or Teams. We are so excited to show you everything that we've done so far and the expectations of what will come this year. So, welcome to Open House. We are glad that you are here. And I just want to start off, I am so proud of all of our students and our teachers. Our new normal has become really, really normal. So even though we're wearing masks and even though we're staying far apart from each other, we're still enjoying being here and we're enjoying getting to know each other and learning lots while we do it. So I'm so proud of everyone, and I just again want to welcome you to Open House. Miss Austin, do you have some things to say?
Just a few things. Thank you, Miss Jackson. I am Miss Austin. I am the new assistant principal at Hawks Rise and very happy to be here. Woo-hoo. So parents, we want to thank you again for coming out, and I know that you want to know what to expect tonight. So in your child's classrooms, you should hear from the teacher about their way of work. You should get a copy of their schedule to know what your child is doing all day. And you will hear from them about their grading policies, their discipline plans, and any information that is specific to that classroom or what your child does during the day. If you have any questions about what your child is doing, your teacher will probably set up a parent conference for later on. I hope that you all have a wonderful night this evening and enjoy Open House. And now to Ms. Van Heist.
Hello, everyone. Miss Van Heist, reading coach again here at Hawks Rise. I just wanted to let you all know that students are up and running with AR. They're wrapping up their STAR test now, and you should see your students coming home with their reading goals. Take a moment, sit down, talk with them. Talk about what books they like to read. Maybe carve out a time every night that you guys are reading together. The big thing we want to see is students reading and enjoying it, and that is modeled through us as well. Your children may come home and talk about their teacher's book list. That's a new thing this year. Teachers are sharing what they're reading, and we're trying to build this culture of talking about books and finding new love of books. Also, interventions for reading will get underway shortly. We are still doing our benchmark testing for beginning of the year reading, so there will be more information coming with that later. We also have several resources for reading up on my website. I have done many things of how to read with your children, different strategies you can do at home with them, and other activities to do. Also, Destiny is up and running, so speaking of books, make sure that your kids are checking out books and getting their deliveries in the afternoon. I've seen many kids, and they're very excited about all the new books they're getting. Thank you.
Ms. Van Heist, I agree. I love books. And Ms. Van Heist loves books. We have been known to trade them back and forth, and now we are excited to enjoy Miss Austin and have her join our little book club and trade books. So it is so fun. We love reading here at Hawks Rise, and we hope that you do too. I just want to remind you, if you're not on the listserv, go to the Hawks Rise homepage and get on it. It's got lots and lots of information. I try not to send too many emails, but just enough to keep you informed. We've got some new initiatives this year with the Pick My Kid pickup and other activities going on, and I just want you to be informed and involved. PTO meetings and SAC meetings will be advertised through that venue as well. So join the listserv if you have not. And a last reminder that we just love our boys and girls. We are all so blessed to be here at Hawks Rise, and we just are grateful for you guys and grateful that you came out to the Hawks Rise Open House 2020. And thanks so much for your time. Bye, guys. Have a good night.